In today's project, we're going to build a wireless Nintendo Switch controller inspired by the classic Mortal Kombat arcade machine. It's designed for playing Mortal Kombat on the Switch, complete with the old-style arcade buttons and joystick. Let's get started. The body of our controller is a combination of laser-cut MDF and 3D printed corner supports. This will give the controller a solid, arcade machine feel while keeping the design modular. First, we assemble the frame. The MDF is laser cut for precision, and the 3D printed corners snap everything together perfectly. I'm not building a full arcade cabinet, just the control panel, but the design could easily be expanded. The button and joystick layout are identical to the original Mortal Kombat arcade machine. I'm using these old-style arcade buttons and a solid joystick for that authentic arcade feel. These buttons are easy to install, snapping right into the laser-cut holes. They're connected to the internals via standard quick connectors, making this build both customizable and easy to modify later on. Let's talk about the electronics. I repurposed the internals from an affordable Nintendo Switch controller for this build. The controller's button contacts are all easily accessible, making it simple to wire them to the arcade buttons and joystick while keeping the wireless functionality intact. I also added select, start, left and right buttons on the front of the controller, allowing full control over the Switch features. Once the electronics are installed, it's time for the finishing touches. I've printed some Mortal Kombat artwork on an inkjet printer to give the controller that classic arcade look. The artwork is applied directly to the MDF using a simple adhesive spray. It's a great way to personalize the build and capture that retro arcade vibe. To give the project a polished look, I applied black vinyl. This not only enhances the appearance, but also hides the screws and protects the wood. For added durability, I placed a 3mm clear acrylic sheet over the artwork to protect it, as gaming can wear down the inkjet print underneath. I don't have a machine to cut acrylic, but that's the great thing about laser cutting. I can send the file away and be confident that the final result will fit perfectly. This project was a fun combination of retro arcade design and modern gaming tech. Whether you're a Mortal Kombat fan or just love building custom controllers, this build offers the best of both worlds. If you like this project, make sure to subscribe for more builds like this and let me know what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to make this project yourself without having to figure out all the dimensions and sizes, just click the Patreon link on the screen. There you'll find this project along with all my others, designed to make gaming affordable and fun. Thanks for watching.